Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful easel card using Itsy Bitsy's Little Birdie products. And these are ready-made flowers from Little Birdie. And this is a shaker card as well, come frame. Yes, you can slide any photograph from this frame and you can just stand it on your desk like this. So without any further delay, let's get started. For this we need any sentiment stamp. I am using the stamp from Little Birdie, golden color sequences, craft glue, some ready-made flowers and buds. These are super gorgeous. Acetate sheet, white and orange color thick sheets. Here I am using this rectangular stitched dies from Little Birdie and this beautiful birds and berries paper pack which is having wonderful designs and element sheets. First I am taking white sheet which measures 37 by 16.5 centimeters. I am folding this from the center. Now just fold this upper flap again from the center. Burnish it using bone folder and your base is ready. I will connect this orange sheet which measures 16 by 18 centimeters on this easel like this. But before that I will create a frame. To create a frame I am taking this 12 by 15 centimeter white cardstock and using this stitch dies from Little Birdie. This is a rectangular dies and I am using the largest die from the set. You can just put the die on your sheet like this and cut it through your die cut machine. So after cutting it, it will look like this. If you don't have die cut machine, you can also use your paper cutter by leaving approximate 1 centimeter gap from all the sides. Now I will apply little glue all over this frame and I will connect one piece of acetate sheet or OHP sheet with this. Then I am taking one golden color frame and I will attach it on the top. Then here I am taking some strips of mount board pieces just to make a shaker window. So I am connecting two layers of mount board strips just to give little height. If you have double-sided foam tape, you can use that as well. So I am just connecting these strips all over the edge of this frame. Then I am putting some golden color sequences inside this frame. And I am adding one more piece of acetate sheet on top of this. so that we will get a transparent shaker card. And on top of this I will add one more white color frame for the finishing. So your shaker window is ready. It's super cute. Now I am adding 3 more strips of mount board on these 3 sides so that we can easily slide our photograph from top. So here I am creating a photo frame. So it's done. Now take back your orange cardstock and I will decorate it using pattern paper from Birds and Berries paper pack. Then I am taking this beautiful birdhouse design from one more pattern paper from the same pack. This is super beautiful. So this time I'm adding little off center like this, and I will put my frame on top of this. But before putting the frame, I'm just connecting my base with the pattern paper cardstock like this. So it will work like this. Now on top of this I'm adding my frame. So you can just slide any photograph through your photo frame, or you can just keep it as it is. It's up to you. Now I am decorating the inner part of card using one more pattern paper. And then I am taking this beautiful sentiment which I got from this beautiful sentiment clear stamp from Little Birdie. This is from Make a Wish, and I have taken this Have a Fabulous Birthday sentiment. And for this beautiful die cutout, I have used this thin die cuts frame from Little Birdie again. So I have added one piece of mount board on back side just to give little dimension. And I am adding my sentiment in the center. So it will also work as a stopper for your easel card like this. So you can just put it on your desk to decorate. Now I am taking these beautiful handmade flowers from Little Birdie. These are beautiful roses and buds. So I am just arranging my flowers and leaves using craft glue. like this. Now you will get this beautiful element sheet from the same paper pack, and I have fussy cut some birds from that element sheet, so I'm just decorating the corners of frame using these elements. So your beautiful shaker card is ready. You can just slide any photograph like this and gift it to your nearers and dearers. So I'm sure you will try this project very soon. All the links are given in description box. You can check there. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.